deaths have been reported.
Minister of Textiles Paul Lyngdoh unveiled a vibrant mural at the Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving Office in Lashimere today, marking a milestone in the Donate a Wall project. Supported by the Government of Meghalaya, Start India, Asian Paints and the Textiles Department, the mural by artist Siddharth Gohil depicts a woman weaving a traditional dress, highlighting Meghalaya's cultural heritage. Lyngdoh praised the project for showcasing the state's identity and called for enhanced cleanliness practices, expressing gratitude to all involved in the initiative.
I immediately recall the Pink Floyd, another brick on the walls, that today we have another mural on the walls. And I think we will go on painting, if not painting our town red, at least paint it with a lot of colors, make the city attractive and graduate beyond what we normally see in government offices.